India is a country of villages. The majority of its citizens reside in rural areas. However, many villages still struggle with the lack of resources and are far from development. To bridge this gap and bring these villages into the mainstream, Ekal has initiated several programs. One such program is the Ekal Gramothan, which aims to uplift farmers in rural and tribal areas by providing them with training in modern and organic farming. Many farmers have transformed their lives with the help of Ekal Gramothan. One such farmer is Ashok Kumar Verma from Giridih, Jharkhand. Let's take you to the southern block of Giridih district where Ashok Kumar Verma shares how Ekal Gramothan Yojana has brought changes to his life.
खंडोली ग्रामोत्थान संस्थान केंद्र से संपर्क हुआ और वहां हमने कई बार प्रशिक्षण भी प्राप्त हुए। उस प्रशिक्षण के क्रम में वहां जैविक खेती पर उत्साहित किया और आज के तारीख में हम पूर्ण रूप में जैविक खेती कर रहे हैं। इसमें देख रहे हैं कि रासायनिक खेती में ज़्यादा बजट भी लगता था, आमदनी भी कम हुआ करता था, लेकिन जब से जैविक खेती हमने शुरुआत की है तो लागत भी कम पड़ रहा है और उत्पादन भी बेहतर हो रहा है।
After receiving training through Ekal Gramothan Center, Ashok Kumar is now fully engaged in organic farming. He used to practice chemical farming, which was quite expensive. But with Ekal's assistance, he started organic farming. As a result, his fields are now producing more and better crops, leading to significant profits. Ashok Kumar's efforts are not limited to organic farming. He has also started cattle rearing. Along with his wife, he takes care of cows and they use cow urine and dung in their fields, which continually improves the soil's fertility. Ashok has also advised others to take up cattle rearing, explaining that combining organic farming with cattle rearing brings double benefits and everyone should adopt this practice.
हमने गोपालन भी शुरू किया। उससे गोपालन से गौमूत्र के द्वारा छिड़काव के लिए सब्जी वगैरह में काम आ जाता है और उसका गोबर हमने खेती कार्य में ले आते हैं। तो किसानों को हमेशा ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि खेती के साथ साथ गोपालन भी अवश्य करें और इससे दोहरा लाभ मैंने अपना कमाएं।
Farmers used to be very worried about how to make a profit from their farming, as the yield was not enough to cover the expenses. But today things are different. With the help of Ekal Gramothan Yojana under the Ekal Abhiyan, farmers' concerns have been alleviated and changes have come. Ekal Abhiyan will continue its efforts to make the path of development easier for farmers.